So alright my people, so right I know we grow up in another section, yeah? Yeah, because I want to tell you say the cabinet man want to put up in cabinet. So you know we have to get them place a grow up for him. Yeah, so yeah, as you can see, start carrying things them. Yeah. Yeah, so this is how the bad tile them work out. I tell you say, tile big and little. Yeah man, you can imagine tile of 1/8 bigger than the other one. Yeah, so I go through. I'm going to try to get it the best possible way I can get it. I know the nice straight pretty giant as we used to. Yeah, as I tell you, tile them bad. Yeah, but them look decent still. Yeah. Really have to work on if you turn out this way. Yeah, so as I say. Yeah, this is the kitchen here, so the cabinet man start line up. So, you know, I have to grow out of that section and give me. So I'm going to finish with the growth in here now. Yeah. As I say, it turned out really good. You know. I have to work on it hard this way to get them the way we want them. You know, some of the giant them kind of wide and some still, but you know, and some kind of lock up, but I just told the tiles stay. Yeah. But as I say, I work on it the best possible way. Yeah, so grow out of some kind of passage. Yeah, so we're going to right and we're going to get in the bedroom them. Yeah, so I stop right here, so I know there's a left. So we're going to tackle a bedroom here, you know. So we have the 3 bedroom to grow out of right now. So this is one we're going to tackle here now. Yeah, as I say, them not work out too bad at all, you know. You still can't see how it tile them big and little. Yeah. Some lock up when I look on this one. Yeah. That's just the size of the tile them, you know. So I look on that now. I look on here so you can see past this tile. Yeah, so I them tile I have to work with, so you know. Anything you get to work with, you have to just work with it and do your best with it. Yeah, but as I say, I know the straight pretty giant them we used to, you know, but I'm still pleased that it turned out nice. Yeah, if I really work on it, if it turn out good. Yeah.
Peace and God, man. Peace and God, Where else is a woman bigger? It's a woman bigger, no?
No, man, you know, start the room, they're bigger room than this one, man.
Right. You don't go longer. And the bathroom on the side. If somebody kisses the bathroom on the side, it's a woman bigger.
Let's see if we can grow it up. Go on then, take them out, you know. Then turn out good still. I'm going to say I like when I join in the street and pretty, but, you know, our way we have to work with it. Alright, so, see there now. Yeah, we'll get some growing done. Yeah. So you don't know how many people we have put on some rope on the floor. Yeah. So we grow it up in another room here right now, so we have to wipe it off. Yes, my people, so remember to like, share and subscribe. Leave a comment in the comment section. Yes. So, as we said, grow it up on the floor. We're going to get it wiped off here now. Yeah, so you know, as I say, the bad tile them. Yeah, but you know, them turn out good. Work on them, get them the best possible way we can get them. Yeah, so as I say, we'll do some growth in here now. So we grow up the room here. Yeah, cabinet man outside work, put up in cabinet them. Yeah, so put in here so right now. I'm going to grow it up down here so. Yeah. So you don't know about my people. Always I try to put out some good content, you know? Yeah, man. So as I say with them do we are now to the bathroom, so we have to leave them for the time being. Tell them sort out the bathroom, you know. Some piping to go on. So we basically can't do nothing with the bathroom for now. You know. Until the plumber don't sort out. So this is how we left here so now. So you know the tile about continue inside. Yeah, so as soon as them start out this, so now we just come in, drop in them two tile and go straight in. Yeah. So you can see some growth in where the right now. You know? So we're up on the last room here now. So last room we're up on with the growth in. So this is where I draw some growth on the room here now. So this is the last room of the fan. Yeah. We are almost done. As Mr. Cabinet man I work same time. Yeah, so this is how we are going. Cabinet man I put up in cabinet. Yeah, so that's a growth up already. Yeah. So all up on the front that's a growth up. Right down at the passage. other room I grow up. Yeah, so as I say, we're almost finished. Yeah, don't have some of the closet. Yeah, so this is the biggest room. Yeah, so them tile are some 24 by 24 ceramic. Yeah. You have the porcelain like this with the same grey streak. Yeah, them one they're really good. But as I said, the problem with these now, it's like them big and little, the size them different. So, you know, that's the problem with this style. Yeah, but otherwise, I never really nice. So, alright, my people, so right now, everything done and growth up. Yeah. So, growth up and clean up. You know, so this is the finished product. Yeah, so this is how the place look like, you know. Yeah, well clean. So as I said, the cabinet man I put up in cabinet same time. Yeah. Yes, my people, so the other thing with this now, this now a baseboard, you know. Paint off the paint right down to the tile. So it don't look really good as a baseboard still, but you know. Yeah. Yeah. So as I say, cabinet moving already put up. Yeah, so this is the passage right down the line. Yeah, so this is a bedroom. Yeah. So as I say, everything done and growth up, you know. Yeah, so as I said, that's what I feel left until them decide what I'm gonna do with the staircase. Yeah. So we can't go further with this one. Just like the bathroom. Yeah, so this is our next bedroom. Yeah, closet. Yeah, so as I said, the tile turned out real good. You know, it give me a fight still. As I said, something like 1/8 bigger than the other. You know, so you know you have to just work them out. Yeah. Yeah, so as I said, this is the finished product, what it look like. You know. Although the tile them so bad, turn out really good. Yeah, so another bedroom. Yeah, place look nice and decent. Yeah, man. So as I say, we work out the bad tile them, so you know. Yeah, and that is a plus. You know, if you tile like them, then it turn out so. You don't know. Yeah. So I have 3 bathroom, 3 bedroom, 3 bathroom. Yeah, but we can't do nothing with the bathroom, then as I say. Yeah, so yes, my people. So remember to like, share and subscribe. Leave your comment in the comment section. Yeah, tell me what you think about the job, you know. Reason with me. Just show your appreciation by giving the video a thumbs up each time. Yeah, subscribe to the channel. You know, it's free if you subscribe, it's free if you give the video a thumbs up. Yeah. So, this is the next bedroom. Just wipe off that one and get the final wipe. Yeah, closet. Yeah, so as I say, entrance to the bathroom. Have to left same way. Yeah. So yes, my people, so you don't know, complete the job, yeah? Yeah, looking good and everything like that. Yeah, man. Alright, my people, so you don't know it go? Yeah, always I try to give you some good context, some good work. Yeah. So alright, my people, so right I know we're gonna do some baseboard. Yeah. So we're gonna get this place a baseboard out. Yeah, we really have right I know we're gonna have baseboard everything. We have to like out here so now the kitchen area. Yeah. So we have to do them place, yeah. Yeah, so all of them part, yeah, as you can see. Yeah, so we are put on to have some growth in at the same time. Yeah, so we are the right now. We are going right down the passage. We're not going on another bedroom them. So we are going at the passage. So I'm gonna take out the passage now. Yeah, so yes, my people. So as I say, I will go down another passage now, you know. Alright. So alright my people, so job complete now. So baseboard out and everything. Yeah. So as I say, you know, this is how the floor look like. Yeah man, so put on all of the baseboard the wire put on, grout up. Yeah, so yeah, as you can see, nice look, you know. Yeah, so what we do is put on the passage here. We're not going to the bedroom. So the whole passage baseboard out. Yeah, as you can see down the line. Yeah, so bedroom. As I say, we don't put on no baseboard in the bedroom them. You know, we just do the living and the kitchen area. Yeah, and in the passage. Yes, my people, so you know it's a good look. Yeah. Job complete, you know. So, yeah. As I say, everything finalized up. Yes, my people. So remember to like, share, and subscribe. Leave your comment in the comment section. You know. Tell me what you think about the job then. Yeah, just give the video a thumbs up. Yeah. It not take nothing. If you give the video a thumbs up. It not cost a cent, not a penny. It not cost nothing to subscribe as well. So you know. Yeah, just like and share. Yeah. Subscribe to the channel. Alright my people. So I want to send enough respect to all of the supporters them every time. Big up on yourself. The foundation supporters, the upcoming one them. Yeah man, enough respect. Alright my people.